Number 21 on page 243 gives us an example with some non-typical answers. We are asked to look at the function f of x equals the quantity x squared plus 4 times the quantity 2x squared plus 3, and to look at when it could possibly be positive or negative. The first thing we want to notice is, first of all, the x's in both of the parentheses are squared, so that means no matter what x we substitute, that will always give us a positive number. And then we are adding to both of those x squareds, so the number that is positive will be even more positive. So this example has no real zeros, and it is always positive. So the only two sections of the graph that we can answer as being positive or negative are the positive parts. So f of x is greater than 0 on the entire part of the graph, so from negative infinity to infinity. It is also greater than or equal to 0 on the same interval, and that would mean that it is never less than 0. So there are no sections of the graph where it's less than 0 or less than or equal to 0.